All right. So there's a little weld. Go ahead. That was still holding it for some reason. Why there was a weld there, I don't know. I just chopped it up with the grinder real quick. It's almost loose. Let me have a whack at it.
If you hit it this way, it should come right off.
There she is. Boom. Stata. Look at the size of that thing. Wow. This is gonna be fun. Easel Pete's. Look at that. Look at all that copper. More copper, more money. You got it, dude. So, next venture, getting some of this copper off here. I'm thinking on these, I'm probably gonna have to cut down this whole side, cut down this whole side, and then hang this off of my workbench and pound these through one at a time individually. I think that's gonna be the best bet. So, see what's holding this one on. I don't know if anything's holding it on. Nope. Nada. Mo copper, mo money, buddy. So, this one isn't nearly as heavy. Look at that. That's the copper we gotta do. That's the copper we gotta do. Ammo. So that'll be the next venture, getting these cut up. And I think I'm gonna run to the scrapyard, go get rid of that steel real quick. So hope everybody's having a good day, and we will see you on the next one.